To begin installation, you can prep the hood for both the motor side and the spring side. Pre-drill through the hoods, or you may call it a cassette. At least 2 fasteners at the top and bottom of each side. The next step is to install the motor side hood. Fasten through the holes you pre-drilled. Check level of the floor with as large a level as possible to see if you need to shim. Repeat the same step on the receiver or spring side. Measure between both hoods to get your track measurements. It's time to cut tracks. Always be sure not to cut the funnel inside the track. We recommend deducting 3/8 from your overall measurement. Once the tracks are cut, you can install. Leave a 1/8 inch gap on both sides to make sure you can snap the hood covers on. Don't tighten the tracks yet. It will make it easier to adjust. Once the tracks are installed, you are ready to insert the fabric. Take the hem bar in one hand and hold the roll of mesh in the other. Unspool and shimmy the fabric towards the spring side, keeping the zipper in the PVC channel. Next, you want to Velcro the fabric to the roller tube. You want to start at the top, line up the teeth of the zipper with the PVC retainer in the track. The zipper should stand up and be straight, not folded over. This allows you to know the position of the Velcro where you attach to the tube. Now that the fabric is attached and the tube is seated, you can attach the springs. Simply screw in the machine screw from the spring to the threaded portion of the hem bar cap. Lastly, snap on the hood covers, and that's a wrap.